Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about interesting facts on birds. This bird is known as parrot. There are around 372 different parrot species. Most parrots live in tropical areas. Parrots are believed to be one of the most intelligent bird species. Now we are seeing owl. Owls are active at night. There are around 200 different owl species. A group of owls is called a parliament. This bird is known as penguin. Penguins are flightless birds. Most penguins live in the southern hemisphere. The emperor penguin is the tallest of all penguin species, reaching as tall as 120 centimeters in height. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.